how to create a registration form in Wix. So what I've done is I've just logged into my Wix account and I've clicked on Edit Site, which has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now from the left hand side, we want to select Pages and Menu. And here we will go into Sign Up and Login. Now choose the first option for Member Sign Up Form. Here for the form type, we will select Custom Form and we will add this to our site. Now it's going to begin implementing the Wix forms and payments, and this is what our main form is going to look like. First name, last name, email, password. Now if we click on the gear icon here for the settings, we can change the lightbox name, and we can also change the layout as well as the design. If we click on here, we can choose different backgrounds for our form. As you can see, we can also add our own image or video to it. Now if we click on manage lightboxes here, it's going to show us this menu, and basically we can customize this to our liking, this registration form. We can click on form settings here, and we can view the site members as well as the other settings. We can also add new fields if we want to. Here, as you can see, the members login, terms checkbox, so on and so forth. But basically you will customize this to your liking, and once you're done, it will automatically be saved on your Wix website. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.